It's very straightforward.
Well, folks, you know, it ain't often that we can get together and talk our hair down like this. You know, every time you hear a real hillbilly tune, it kind of makes you think of it. All our songs are just plain old.
This message is posted, attention, Mr. Greene, Terry, if it's okay with you. I can address you as Terry, right? This is the crust of the matter of 08-29-23, and those duly filing the complaint naming Gildred, your client, in part the defendant. But first, Terry, I've been trying to find a ways to compliment you. Certainly, you are the full service business law firm. You're the highly extensive, experienced commercial law firm. You do it all, from state to federal, in all of California. What do you consider to be your low-pack litigation in defense, Terry? Which of those multi-million dollars business disputes in serious injuries you actually won? Of the most recent contract client, construction client, real estate client, Terry, employment client, securities client, insurance client, finance client, franchise client, shipping client, industrial client, health client, high technology and manufacturing client, and automotive parts clients. So Terry, except for legal fees in the flawed golf club managed settlement recently, which multi-million dollar commercial litigation you brought to your firm's success? I'm just asking, as a profound legal advocate who exactly, call himself aggressive but practical, of either of these, what are your most trial-tested version of a win for your clients? Just asking, Terry. You boast 120 years. That's what, 20 years for attorney at your firm? All exclusive to California litigations? Who is Terry? Who are your references in all of Southern California? You're the top attorney, or the top talent statewide. What's your most honest defense attorney? And how do you see yourself as a real proactive choice? You call other firms nimble, quote, more nimble law firms. What is the percentile usage of Mr. Paul J. Delmore for the alternative dispute mediation? Just asking. Do you listen to him? Or perhaps best, in theory, maybe closer to the end of, coming closer to your client, Gildred's client. But let me help you with something. Just something I want to share with you. Your brain is like a large piece of flatland. Let me rephrase. Your brain capacity percentile usage is a large piece of flat land, to which is untethered to not to your knowledge. You don't even know. And to which this mental flatlands of yours, instead, it's laced with a parcel of stone throughout to favor the landing and lifting of litigation airlines, which you have no idea who they are, where they're coming from, and what their destination is after their takeoff. But at the end of your brain runway, there is a gap, Terry, a missing piece of debris, like a stone concrete that allows room for a small percentage of your brain capacity usage, which is activated only when you fall into that debris. And during that time, so you're that type of guy that is like 95% human. It's a pathetic situation. Don't take it personal, I'm just trying to help. In other words, your general personality belt is existing as a legal AI, kind of but. 5% of the rest of your thought is focused on the realistic things, or the reality you, or the augmented or avatarized version of yourself, basically. And 95% is just stone within a capacity that you don't even have a clue what's going on. You're just like, as I said, an AI bot. But let me not keep you. Just introducing to you the who I am as original that I am. And in hopes that you too would understand that in our society today, you really have to account for everything that you do, for every interaction that you relate with, and not be driven around like an AI bot. Cheerio. Big party. See you in court, buddy.